Okay, so the first thing is you would log in with the login that I just sent you guys, which is this one right over here. If you don't use that one, then you're going to have to select Illinois, find Chicago Public School District 299. You're going to have to put in your username. Remember that you have at cps.edu as part of your username. I do not. Um, if your browser saves your password, you're going to have to erase it because it doesn't allow you to sign in. So go ahead, type in your password, sign in. When you sign in, you're going to see this is called Ed. This is your Ed dashboard. And you'll be able to, you may not have exactly the same screen that I have because I'm an administrator on here, but you're going to go to where it says Discover. You are then going to select a program. So you find select a program. And you will then go to your textbook. So in this case, I'm going to pick 6th grade, which is Math and Focus Course 2. And then you will see all of the chapters. It'll also show you the last one that you viewed. When you click on, so in addition to those chapters, you have a lot of other resources as well. So you can go ahead and you guys can play around with this. Most of you will just want to see the teacher edition and the student edition, but there are online assessments that you can give the students. There's also printable assessments that you can give them, as well as the virtual manipulatives, and I really like the mini games. So when you guys are actually presenting in front of the class, you can go ahead and you can click the mini games. And the best thing about this is that the mini game is actually connected to the lesson that you're working on, right? So this is chapter 1, rational numbers. So the mini game is called the Music Maker. I have no idea what it is. You can go ahead and you can click it, and then you can sort of see what it does. Again, this may be good, this may not be good. I'm learning this while I'm recording the screen, so we'll see. Okay, so it is connected to the class. This is 6th grade, so I guess you don't have to really pay attention to this whole 7A thing, but I'm sorry, I don't know, maybe it isn't. But when you click go, then you'll be able to play the game. And I'm not going to play this game too long just because I don't know what I need to do here, right? So it's just a simple, um, like it looks like it's a Guitar Hero thing. I'm not gonna bother with this. Okay, so I'll close it out. Just gives you, but it does give you a lot of different resources that are on there that you can play around with. When I click on chapter 1, you'll have you'll be able to go to the teacher edition, so you can see your teacher edition for that chapter, right? And it does give you the overview, the fundamental understandings, etc. You can make notes. Um, you can uh, you can do a lot of different things. You can bookmark different things like you would in a regular textbook, so that things are all there. It also gives you extension activities. It goes through what the students are learning. I mean, it's just a regular teacher edition. So it's basically the same as the print teacher edition that you'll be given if you haven't received it already. All right, so I'm going to go back out. I think there are ways to share this stuff to Google Classroom. I don't know everything that there is on this yet, but I'm going to learn it with you. So you'll be able to work through this. And again, you have the digital copy, and you also have the student edition. So a nice thing to do would be to, like, you can put this up on your smartboard. Kids can see what's going on, while they also have it on their Chromebook, because the kids also have access to this and they would log in the same way that you will. Okay, so again, I hope that this very brief introduction to the ED platform from Houghton Mifflin is useful, and I hope to see what you guys come up with in terms of these resources for Math in Focus. Thanks so much.